Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely across a network of computers, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Blockchain groups transactions into blocks. These blocks are connected in order after verification, creating a secure system that's easy to track and hard to tamper with. Blockchain technology is making waves in the banking sector, promising greater security, transparency, and efficiency. Let's uncover how this innovation is transforming financial services and the challenges it faces. Blockchain's secure and transparent system keeps financial transactions safe. Banks use it to prevent fraud, reduce risks, and build trust with customers. Cross-border payments are becoming faster and more cost-effective. Blockchain eliminates intermediaries, reducing transaction times from days to minutes and significantly lowering costs for banks and their customers. Blockchain stores customer data securely, making loan approvals faster and credit scoring more accurate. This leads to quicker and more reliable decisions for banks and borrowers. Smart contracts automatically carry out tasks like issuing loans, handling insurance claims, and checking compliance. This helps reduce manual work and ensures everything is done correctly. Despite its potential, blockchain isn't without challenges. Blockchain networks can struggle to handle large volumes of transactions, leading to slower processing times and higher costs. Different countries have different laws, making it hard for banks to use blockchain globally. The lack of consistent regulations creates confusion, which can slow down investment and innovation. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it can't be changed or removed. This permanent feature can sometimes conflict with privacy laws. With continuous innovation and collaboration, these challenges are being addressed. Banks are exploring energy-efficient models and engaging regulators to unlock blockchain's full potential. Blockchain is changing the way banks operate, making them more secure, quicker, and clearer. As it continues to grow, the future of banking will focus on better customer experiences and stronger financial systems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on how technology is reshaping the world of finance.